or improvements. And over there we have a finite horizon. So finite horizon is nothing but a policy. Like let me actually remind you, recall the formula. Yeah, I got the formula. Yeah. Your policy, your state, which is equal to E, which is emission. Then we have wait a second, E, square brackets, emission, time, and I, which is equal to something I just forgot. Yeah, no, yeah, R not equal to R plus 1, and this should be it. This actually is a formula of particular type, and T. Okay, this is actually the formula of a finite horizon. That how does a finite horizon algorithm works is it sees a policy behavior, then it emits that behavior to make a prediction. Okay? Now this is finite horizon where the time is limited to actually predict a particular prediction. What if I talk about infinite things? Okay? The formula will be same. Okay? The formula will be same, but I will just add in. Infinite, and over here time will be to infinite number of times, and over here I will add gamma. Gamma is nothing but discount rate, DR, discount rate of the maximized reward signal. Now, as you can see, if the time is infinite, the prediction will be, the reward signal will be always positive. Now, we don't want our every prediction to go positive. We also need some negative to make a correct prediction, right? That's why we add gamma to our algorithm. That was it. That's it. We just finished with reinforcement learning. Now the next topic is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is nothing but a really simple thing. Let me just show you. Actually, that's a really short topic. Let's complete that in today's video. Wait for a few minutes. I will cut the camera, rub this all. I'll come back to you later. Just give me a few minutes. Okay. Unsupervised learning is third stage. As the name suggests, supervised learning is for where we know the answer and we want our model to do our work to predict the particular answer, which is a spam or non-spam. We cannot just go into that email thing and just start differentiating between those two emails. That's why we need machine learning models, a supervised learning model, which will able to differentiate between those and reduce our time and efforts. Save our time and efforts. Yeah, not reduce. Save our time and efforts. That's good. When unsupervised learning, we don't know what the prediction is going to be. This model is actually used to explore a data. For example, another example is let's take example that we have an alien invasion. Okay, not an alien invasion, it's kind of critic. Okay. We have an alien spaceship came from another world and it's a form of car. And I want to differentiate that. Is that a really car or not a car? I don't know what the result is going to be, right? I don't know. So, I don't know what that thing is, the thing. I don't know the answer. That is that car is car or rocket or plane or something like that. So, what I will do is the same thing what I did with the supervised learning. I have some data. I have a model. Okay, I've given him some pictures of a car and a rocket, and I have labeled those all. Okay, let's just imagine about the Excel sheet where I've given an image of a car, and over here I've labeled this as a car. Same thing I've done with the rocket. I've named it as rocket. Rock. So I have thousands of images, and I'm labeled as a car. Same goes with the rockets. And I feed that into this model. Okay? Now what I will do is give him a new data, ND, a new data to this model, and using this previous the label data, it will able to predict that this new data is actually an output, which is a prediction, is car or not a rocket, or maybe a rocket not a car, maybe any of one of them. So unsupervised learning is just to explore the data. Okay, that's it. That was all about the 3 types of learning of machine learning model. Machine learning, in short and conclusion, I would like to say that machine learning is a subfield of AI. It has evolved a large amount. We are living in an age where the data is in abundance. Using these self-learning algorithms, we can actually make a sense of data, which I told you in the starting of the video. Now I'm telling that too. Short summary. Supervised learning is used to reduce the human efforts, of course, but where we know the answer, the model needs to predict that known answer and give that predicted answer to us. Reinforcement learning is where the answer will not be known, the answer will not be known, but whatever the answer is, we will try to improve that. Okay, we will improve the reward signal to make a better prediction. And last but not the least, unsupervised learning, we don't know anything about the answer. That's why we use this kind of data, this kind of models to actually predict that if the answer is correct or not, if this object looks similar to this. Even NASA is using these kind of models to, or learning methods for Mars mission, where the rocks, or you can say different materials, does not look the same, looks same like us, right? So to differentiate between those, we know unsupervised learning. We don't know what the thing is. We are exploring that, right? We are exploring new things, exploring new data. That's why we use unsupervised learning. That was all for this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, that red thing, and also hit the bell icon. If you have any question, please comment me below, and please watch my other tutorials for if you want to build a drone, Arduino drone. I have 2 parts. I may continue that series, I don't know, but it will help you a lot of radio communication of a drone and a remote. It will help you a lot with that. And if you go with the Unity programming with C#, I've made a separate tutorials on that. And if you want to go with engineering projects like how to build pneumatic brakes, I made another tutorial for that with the codes. Solar generator, I have another tutorial. I have a bunch of tutorials. Please go and check. I have dozens of tutorials. Only a dozen of tutorials. This will be the 13th one. So please go and check my YouTube channel for more. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy flying, happy programming, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.